Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Skillsoft for individuals, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin canceling your Skillsoft subscription, log into your Skillsoft account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the subscription or billing section. In this section, you should find details about your current plan. Locate the option to cancel your subscription. Click on the cancellation link or button. You may encounter a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure about canceling. Confirm your decision to cancel your subscription. After confirming, check for an email notification regarding your cancellation. This email serves as official confirmation of your subscription cancellation. If you don't receive this email, revisit your account settings to ensure the cancellation was processed. For any issues, consider contacting Skillsoft's customer support. You can find their contact information on the Skillsoft website. Provide them with your account details and request assistance. Once your cancellation is processed, you should no longer be charged. Keep in mind that you may still have access to content until the end of your billing cycle. If you plan to use Skillsoft again in the future, remember that reactivating your account is possible. Simply log back into your Skillsoft account to explore reactivation options. Follow these steps, and you will successfully cancel your Skillsoft subscription as an individual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.